So today in class 9 in chemistry we will start with the different substances related to water. That is, first starts with the hydrated substances. What are hydrated substances? That is the salt which contain a definite amount of water held in their lattice, that is a structure, are called hydrated salt or hydrated substances. The water associated with the crystals of any salt is called the water of crystallization. So the salt containing water of crystallization are called hydrated salts. If we see some examples of water of crystallization, there is copper sulfate, that is CuSO4 5H2O, iron sulfate FeSO4 7H2O, magnesium sulfate MgSO4 7H2O, sodium carbonate Na2CO3 10H2O. So these are the examples of hydrated substances. Now we see the anhydrous substances, that is the substance which are free from water, moisture, are called anhydrous substances, like calcium chloride CaCl2 fused actually, copper sulfate, that is CuSO4 anhydrous, magnesium perchlorate, that is MgClO4, silica gel, that is SiO2, table salt, that is NaCl. Another type of example is there, type of substance are there, that is called inflorescence substances, that is a certain hydrated salt when exposed to dry atmosphere at ordinary temperature lost their water of crystallization and get transformed into powder. Such salt are called inflorescence. The property by which the hydrated salt loses their water of crystallization when exposed to dry atmosphere is called inflorescence. It is actually favored by high atmospheric temperature and dryness of air. Example, if we see that washing soda, sodium carbonate decahydrate, that is Na2CO3 10H2O. If we put dry air, then actually it changes into Na2CO3 H2O and 9H2O. It comes out. In case of blue vitriol also, that is CuSO4 5H2O, it also changes into CuSO4 H2O and 4H2O comes out. In case of hydroscopic substances, that is the substance which absorb moisture, water vapor actually, from the atmosphere without dissolving in it, is called hydroscopic substances. So if we see the example of hydroscopic substances, that is mainly hygroscopic substances, the anhydrous calcium chloride CaCl2, calcium oxide, that is CaO, concentrated sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. Some another kind of substance are there, that is called deliquescent substance, that is certain anhydrous or partially hydrated salt which can absorb moisture from the air, become moist and finally dissolve in the absorbed water, forming a saturated solution, are called deliquescent substances. And the property of salt is called deliquescence. It is favored by low temperature and high humidity. Example of like caustic soda, caustic potash, magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, these are the example. Now another example is there, that is called a drying agent or desiccating agent. That is the substance which can remove moisture from other substances, and that is called drying agent or desiccating agent, like silica gel, quicklime. In case of dehydrating substances, a substance which can remove water present in the structure of any compound salt, that is called dehydrating agent, like CuSO4 5H2O plus H2SO4. If we see concentrated H2SO4, then CuSO4 plus H2SO4 and 5H2O is actually the dehydrating agent. So concentrated sulfuric acid is a strong dehydrating agent. From example we can understood, it can remove water from the copper sulfate pentahydrate and also from the sugar molecule actually. So today up to that, next we'll start with another topic.